welcome back. You are now watching another segment of Am I Doing This Right? What we're gonna make is one of my favorite like fair food, like fried fair food ever. And today we are gonna be making something from, you guessed it, Chrissy Teigen's cookbook. And please, again, don't mind these Post-its. I got a little bit too carried away with, you know, all the stuff that I wanted to cook. But yes, today we are going to be making fluffy corn dogs. So corn dogs, one of my favorite things ever. You know, I grew up eating them. Never ever made them from scratch. Always either bought them made already, or the frozen ones, or yeah, someone else just made them for me. I never made them on my own. So here are the ingredients that are needed. Vegetable oil, 1 cup of cornmeal, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 1/4 cup buttermilk, 1 egg, 8 hot dogs, 8 thick wooden skewers or wooden chopsticks, that's what I have, and hot Chinese mustard, which I don't have. I have regular mustard, but also I'm not really like that much of a mustard type of girl. Like I like mustard, but not like that much, you know, so I'm gonna use ketchup. I'm out of breath. Pour 5 inches of oil into a large pot and heat over medium heat for 360 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together the cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cayenne. Add the buttermilk and egg and stir with a spoon until a thick batter forms. It will be much thicker than a pancake batter. Scrape the batter with a spatula into a tall drinking glass. Chill for 15 minutes. Put some flour onto a plate, pat the hot dogs dry with paper towels, and run the skewer through each lengthwise. Make sure to leave enough for a handle. Roll the hot dogs in flour and shake off the excess. One at a time, dip the hot dogs. Well, I hope it's one at a time. Damn, this is a small glass. Okay, one at a time, dip the hot dogs into a glass of batter to coat completely, including the bottom where the hot dog meets the stick. Shake off the excess, twirling the hot dog at the same time to keep the batter uniform. As you work, if the batter gets too thick, add a splash of buttermilk. Don't add too much or the batter won't cling to the hot dogs. Okay. 3 or 4 at a time, gently drop the coated hot dogs into the oil, making sure not to move them so the batter sets around the dogs, and fry until nice, deep, golden, and crisp, turning once during cooking, 4 to 5 minutes. Drain onto paper towels and serve hot with mustard. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is what we have. We have 5 lovely corn dogs that I made. I think I made the oil a little bit a little too hot, so I think that's why they turned out really dark. But let's give it a try and see if I did it right. I like my corn dogs with some ketchup, so I'm trying to get some ketchup. I'll try this one. You know what? I poked the chopstick a little too hard. I didn't even think of it until like right now. I guess that part I didn't do right, but it's okay. Definitely really fluffy, very crispy. Batter's pretty good. I'm warming up to it. A little too fluffy for me. It's not too bad. I recommend it. I wish I had like some lemonade or something. That would be dope. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good, pretty solid corn dog. My verdict. I would give it 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 corn dogs. I think the batter, I wish it wasn't too fluffy, so next time I will not put as much baking powder in it, because I think the overall taste is really good. It was really easy to make, not gonna lie. I don't really taste that cayenne. I know I put cayenne in there, but I don't really taste it. I think that was just for the color. I think overall it's like pretty solid. It's a pretty solid corn dog. So did I do this right? I think I did. I think this is what she was going for. I think I kind of messed up on the oil because I left it and it was like a little too hot. So the first one that went in was super dark. But other than that, I think the taste was pretty good, and yeah, I think I would do it again, but I think I would just do the batter. So that wraps up another segment of Am I Doing This Right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Comment down below what else you would like to see, and let me know if you guys would try this out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.